What is qualitative research? Definition 1 of qualitative research deals with words and meanings. Definition 2 of qualitative research is a method of inquiry that develops understanding on human and social sciences to find the way people think and feel. Qualitative research focuses on exploring idea and formulating a theory or hypothesis. Type of questions in qualitative research is open-ended questions. Qualitative research engaged in understanding, context, complexity and subjectivity. In qualitative research, qualitative data is used which is less structured than quantitative data. Data collection methods of qualitative research includes unstructured or semi-structured techniques which include focus groups, group discussion, individual or in-depth interviews, group discussions, etc. Nature of qualitative research is holistic. The approach of qualitative research is subjective. Research type of qualitative research is exploratory. Reasoning of qualitative research is inductive. Hypotheses are generalized in qualitative research. Data in qualitative research is verbal. Inquiry in qualitative research is process-oriented. Sampling technique in qualitative research is purposive. The objective of qualitative research is to explore and discover ideas used in the ongoing processes. Results of qualitative research develops initial understanding. Elements of analysis of qualitative research are words, pictures and objects. In survey, hundreds or thousands sample size are used in qualitative research. In example 1, HRM in relation to employee motivation and job performance in the hospitality industry. International Business Conference, IBC, written by Duplessis et al. 2015 used qualitative research in their study. In example 2, motivational factors influencing teachers' job performance in preschool centers in Kenya, written by Awala et al. 2016 used qualitative research in their study. In example 3, a qualitative exploration of day spa therapists' work motivations and job satisfaction, written by Sutterkin et al. 2018 used qualitative research in their study. In example 4, qualitative study regarding the relationship between corporate governance and creative accounting, written by Barinde et al. 2012. The authors used both research methods such as quantitative research and qualitative research in his study. In example 5, a mixed method study of nurse managers' managerial and clinical challenges in mental health centers during the COVID-19 pandemic, written by Kagan et al. 2021, the authors used mixed methods such as quantitative research and qualitative research in their study. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.